Welcome to the Christian Hardscaper. Thanks for tuning in, and today's video is going to be how we excavated for the base of this walkway and patio that you're seeing now.
He's popping these two sections of fence off for us so we can be able to get back here with the machine and the truck. After that, he's got to pull up all these old concrete paver tiles, get those out of our way. Guys, we are set up to start excavating. Benny's picking up that last little paver. There he goes. He's jacked, huh? Kid's jacked. It's great. Alright, so see, this white line is really where we're going to be at. These lines were made before. We're not going to follow those, but this whole area that is grass outside the white line, we're going to remove the grass and later on most likely extend the mulch bed right to the edge of the patio and walkway. At least that's what we're thinking for now. So we're gonna scrape off all the turf right now, load up the truck with the turf and the grass, and then the next load we'll start taking all the actual soil out. Alright, first load is off to the dump. We're going to continue scraping up from here, pull the rest of the grass over into the pile, and keep on digging. Stay tuned.
Okay, so the reason we separate all this grass from our fill slash soil that we're going to remove is simply because the fill and soil typically gets brought to a yard that is just going to get screened, 3/8 inch screener, and then sold. And if we mix all that grass and turf in with it, it's just going to mess up the screening process, clog up the screener wherever we bring it, and it's really just a pain. So we do that, try to make sure the places that we bring our soil don't get upset with us, and you know, it's a pretty important thing in my opinion. Guys, been a little while since I had you on. We took lunch, but we got this whole walkway into the other door excavated down to our subgrade, raked out. Edge of the grass is all blown off clean. So the next thing to do in these areas right here is to give them a good compact. Compact them. We got, I think that was our fourth load of fill.
that we took out, 4th or 5th. And he'll be back again, and we'll keep digging right here where the machine is. Probably another 2 loads of dirt. And keep moving, guys. Stay tuned. Excavation is complete. A total of 7 loads in F750, 7 times 5 yards, 35 yards of debris and soil per minute. So, Benny's compacting the big area right now. He's gonna run over that a couple times, but not bad for the first day. It's looking good.
The blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I